Clean alloys look great, but they can quickly spoil the look of your car once they start to get covered in brake dust and turn black. We decided to talk to some of our motorsport partners and try to come up with a simple solution that would actually repel brake dust and dirt. Together, we developed Wheel Protector, which thanks to its super hydrophobic technology, stops dirt sticking to your wheels, meaning they stay cleaner for longer. Make sure your wheels are clean and dry to begin with, then shake the can well and simply spray an even coating onto the wheel. Remove any excess spray from the tyre or it may leave a white residue. Avoid touching the wheel once it's been applied and then leave it to dry for about an hour. The longer the better. Wheel Protector keeps your wheels cleaner for longer.